Welcome everyone. Today we're diving into how ChatGPT-4o, the latest update from OpenAI, can revolutionize PC support. Imagine having a personal tech assistant available 24/7, capable of diagnosing and solving your computer issues. That's ChatGPT-4o for you. Let's start with installation problems. ChatGPT-4o can guide you through complex software setups, ensuring you get it right the first time. What about troubleshooting? This AI can quickly identify errors from your descriptions and suggest precise steps to fix them. Now think about system maintenance. ChatGPT-4o can remind you of necessary updates and optimize your system settings for better performance. Security is crucial. ChatGPT-4o offers advice on the best security practices and can help configure your firewall settings to keep your PC safe. Ever struggled with finding the right driver updates? ChatGPT-4o can fetch the latest drivers compatible with your hardware and guide you through the installation. It's not just about fixing issues. ChatGPT-4o is also great at recommending software based on your usage patterns and needs. For those who love gaming, ChatGPT-4o can optimize your PC settings for an enhanced gaming experience. And if you're into creativity, whether it's video editing or 3D modeling, ChatGPT-4o can suggest the best tools and tweaks to enhance your project. Let's not forget accessibility. ChatGPT-4o can make your PC more accessible with customized settings that cater to your personal needs. So whether you're a beginner or a seasoned tech enthusiast, ChatGPT-4o is here to make your computing experience smoother and more enjoyable. Let's embrace this AI revolution together.